Good morning, fourth graders and parents. Here is what I have for you for Monday, October 19th. So we're going to look right here. So here's what I have for you. Morning meeting, watch the video. Writing, continue working on your narrative. Turn it in when finished under 10/19 writing. So let me show you where that is. That's right here. So you're going to turn that in, and I will write feedback for you on the single point rubric. So you'll have a couple days where you can make some changes there. Let's go back to here. Math, 20 minutes of playlist, 20 minutes Streambox. Playlist is due Wednesday, so don't play games for too long. And if you need to do more than 20 minutes on your playlist, do that. Make sure you get that done. Reading, read a book, could be from Epic or Sora. And fill in the graphic organizer for author's purpose. Make sure to write a sentence somewhere, maybe down where it says author's purpose, about what book you're reading. If you want to use voice typing, type your answers in the Google Doc and turn it in. Make sure it is clear what the details and author's purpose is. So, let's look at this graphic organizer. Ignore the title, it's just something I used from last year. But what you need to do is fill in the detail, the detail, the detail. Click in the box here, you'll be able to fill it in. And then somewhere here in the author's purpose, I'd like you to write what the book is as well. So that is it for today. Remember that you will get a reward on Wednesday if you are doing all of your work here. Tomorrow we're going to do something with that morning meeting video where you'll do some writing with it. Have a great day.